Hi, welcome back to Rocky Mountain Prepper. I'm Bellum. Today we need to talk about cleaning your clothes, especially when there is no power. If your clothes are dirty or sweaty, the dirt and salt from your sweat gets into the fibers of the clothes and it actually wears it out faster. So we need to clean them. Unless you if you don't have a washboard like I have and a wash tub, you can use like a flattened bat, like a cricket bat, and a board to smack the soapy water through the fibers. That works fairly well. They used that during the medieval era. Or you could scrub them with some soap and beat them on a rock in a stream. It's not going to work too well. I recommend now getting a washboard, a wash tub, an extra tub to do rinsing, and a basket and clothesline, so you can actually wash your clothes. Now, I'll show you how. It's a cold water process, so be ready to get your hands a little chilly. That's why I'm doing it outside on a nice day. You just scrub and plunge after getting the soap on it. I can use a little more soap. You won't need to use much soap, especially towards the end, because the soapy water will get into there. Check it for any stains or spots that need to go some more, and into the rinse bucket. Then we go to the next bit. This is really good for doing delicates. Anything that needs to be that says to wash by hand, instead of cheating and using your washing machine, just use your wash bucket. It's really good for natural fibers like your wool. And it's even good on some of your synthetics. Nice and soapy. And this is the same action that your washing machine does when you're doing when it's washing it back and forth, when it's agitating, when it's doing the agitation cycle, when it's spinning it around and back and forth. Just keep rinsing it out, checking it for stains, and then the washboard actually does a very good job of getting the dirt out and the gunk. And the ones that go last will actually end up cleaner than the rest, because they've been soaking in the soapy water. I'm just doing a small load to show you, and I didn't want to spend the money with the electricity running my washing machine today anyway, because it's a nice day. Nice days are perfect for doing this because you're outside in the fresh air. Do it in the morning and definitely by evening, if it's a drier day. You won't have to worry about the clothes not being dry. Alright. Give me a few minutes to finish up my laundry here. The rinsing is just basically soaking it, rinsing it, wringing it out. Make sure you get all the soap out so it's not as stiff and unpleasant, and then into your laundry basket. I'll be right back to show you how to hang it up on a clothesline. Alright, got all the clothes clean now, and we're just hanging them on a clothesline. Generally, I'll put like one clothespin for a single sock. Shirts I do 2, and so on. You don't have to have a ton of clothespins for it to work. Now I know a lot of macho men out there are going to be saying that this is women's work, and my response to you, who happen to say and think that, is get over it, do the freaking laundry, and you're going to have a woman longer. If you and whoever your woman is are working together as a team, you will have less issues in your marriage, and therefore it'll last longer. Now, because of all the wind, a couple hours, all my laundry is going to be dry, and it didn't cost a cent to dry it, and it only took a little bit of time to wash it all. Thanks for watching. As usual, like, share, and subscribe. Good luck, and God bless.